Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys the Gelish 18G Unplugged Professional Mobile LED Light with Intelligent Power Assist. That's a long name. Anyways, it's a high performance LED light. It's rechargeable, 36 watts with comfort care. So it says it gives you up to 75 services per charge. And I'm just going to show you guys real quick what it says on this side. It kind of gives you just a recommended curing times. So it just gives you like the foundation, what you would do on this lamp, and then what you would do on the LED 545 on the go, and then on the UV light. Foundation colors, top it off, and then the poly gel. So that's great. It would definitely be a time saver, hopefully. And then it just has a bunch of things here. Okay. So this is what it has on this side. So Intelligent Power Assist. And then it has the battery levels. So blue means fully charged, 25, less than 25, and out of charge. There's auto timers. There's 5, 30, and 60 seconds. And the battery is on the bottom of the light. The bottom part is magnetic, so you can do maybe pedicures and then for cleaning. So that's awesome. And then it just has this one here. So let's go ahead and open it. So I won this on a giveaway on Instagram, and I haven't opened it because my lamp was working great, but it's time to change it out. It's not curing as fast as it was before, so that's why. So it says light battery needs to be charged fully before first use. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys this time, and then I'll just continue it when actually no, I'll just let it charge, and then I'll just show you guys what it comes with right now. So it just comes with the lamp, the plate, and then the battery. And this is the warranty card. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh wow. Okay, so it has like this little thing here. This is what it looks like inside. And then it has the on and off, the 5, 30, and 60 seconds, and then it has a little timer there. That's what it looks like underneath. Has this little stands here. Okay, I'll just put this on the side. This must be the battery. Okay, so this is what the lamp looks like. So I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so this is the buckle user manual. So these are little buckles for the battery. So it has extra buckles just in case. And these are the little buckles. Okay, we're gonna now we're gonna charge it here. Okay, so I'm gonna let it charge, guys, and then we'll be back once it is completely charged. Okay, guys, so I'm back. It charged, so now we're gonna remove the charger and we're gonna go ahead and press the on and off. Okay, and so we have the 5, 30, and then the 60-second, and then it has a timer there. And I'm going to do a test to see if it does cure fast like it says. So I'm going to add some base coat. And I have these here ready to go.
Change that and start.
Okay, guys, so this is the end result. I just made a really quick design here. It did cure everything completely. Nothing turned wrinkly or anything. Perfect cured, so I'm happy. So I hope that you guys like this video, and let me know if you guys have any other questions and I'll gladly answer those for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.